The first step is choosing your ribbon. You can have as many ribbons as you'd like in any size that you'd like. In this video, we'll be using 5 different ribbons. I'm using a 2 1/4 inch black and white polka dot, 1 1/2 inch preppy stripe, 7/8 inch soccer print, and 3/8 inch matching blue grosgrain and 3/8 inch black white striped ribbon. And then you want to cut your ribbon as long or short as you like. In this video, I'm cutting these ribbons to 20 inches. And you can also vary the lengths of your ribbon in your Ponytail. You can also cut the ends of the ribbon in different cuts, like a V-cut or a slanted cut. So, for example, in this soccer print, I did a V-cut, and then in the 3/8 ribbons, I did a slanted cut. So take your ribbon and then fold it in half, and just squeeze the end so you can make a crease so we know where the middle of the ribbon is. And then just go ahead and do that with all of your ribbon. And then now we're going to put the ribbon on the needle, and we're going to want to layer them from largest to smallest. So starting with the largest one, this is my 2 1/4 inch. You're going to stick the needle through the center. So stick it in the crease, in the middle of the crease. And then get the next largest and stick it in the crease in the middle. Now that you're at this point and you have all the ribbons on your needle, we're just going to pull the needle through, and then now we're going to fold it together and do an accordion fold. So pull your thread around and start pulling on it so it pulls that ribbon, and pull it down from below too. And then you just kind of want to get an accordion fold, and what that is just a bunch of different folds like an accordion. And then once you've got that, we're just going to go around with our thread, tightening as you go. You just go around and around until it doesn't give you any more give. Okay, and then when it doesn't give you any more give, just take it to the back. Then just take a couple stitches, and we're not going to tie it off. Okay, you take your Ponytail, and we're going to place it right behind the ribbons, and then the needle and the thread go through the Ponytail and around both the ribbon and the Ponytail. And tighten it just to make sure that there's no give and it's tight and secure. When you're done, just take a couple stitches into the Ponytail. And then we're going to cut a piece of 3/8 inch ribbon, and make sure to seal the ends. This piece is 2 1/4 inches long, and you can make yours smaller or larger depending on your Ponytail. So we're going to wrap this piece of ribbon around our Ponytail. And so you're going to take your hot glue and place a dab of hot glue on the back. And then take your ribbon piece and put it on. And then we're going to wrap it around. And then hot glue it to the back. So add another dab of hot glue, and then bring that ribbon over and secure. And then you can also do a knotted center, and so to do that you would just basically do the same technique, just make sure you have a knot in the ribbon first. And you can check out our how to make a knotted center video if you need more help with that. Now I did the ribbon flat so I could put a resin on. And this Ponytail is all done, and it is all ready to play some soccer.